Oh, but there's no one there. We can figure this out.
What's up, everybody? Benson right here. I'm super excited to bring you to this super episode, and I'm still trading the $400 account to $4,000. So this is a continuation. So I'll just go ahead and show you what I currently have on my trading PC, what I'm currently looking at. So, and the good news, today is Wednesday, which simply means it's a live trading session with the team. So I traded with the team, trading with the team on firepipsfx.com. So you guys go check it out and be a part of it. And use firepip as coupon code in order for you to get 5% off on your mentorship with us. All right, so with that said, I just want to show you guys how I'm currently trading a small account, which is $400 $4,000. So it's a journey. So I'll keep documenting each time I trade on this account. I'll just film and post. So if there are times I'm not able to film, I'll still let you guys know in the next episode. So but for today, I'm currently looking at market. It's looking good. I'm looking to go long on GBP/USD, which in fact I'm already long. I already have multiple positions stacked right there. So I'm just going to be showing you guys what I currently feel is going to happen right here on my screen. Just check out what's currently happening on the computer screen. It's phenomenal. It's crazy, and the patterns are just changing. Like, it's nowhere similar to what has been happening in previous weeks. So what I mean by that is this one. So you already noticed I had an entry at this point. I had an entry here at this point where I put this long functionality. In order for you to get this long functionality, you have to be on trading views. I see some people also asking me, how do I put this app right out here? So you just have to be on trading view, and you click on this function right here. Come on here. This is a long and this is for short. So this is a forecasting tool. So you pick it right here, yeah. Select it where your entry point is. So this thing comes out. So you can adjust using these means and all that. So the reason why I got placed because I have the always on drawing mode toggle on. So if I toggle that off, then just delete that. So that's how to bring it up right there. So that's it. So why am I going long? Why did I predict that I was going? Why did I predict long position instead of short? Okay, yeah, there is no criteria that fits my personal trading strategy, which I've already discussed with you guys. But from structure, okay, this is looking very bullish. So that's why I went bullish. So I had my second entry right here on this box when this box was about to form. So my second entry is here, and which the team also caught the fire to at that particular bottom, which I have already. So you can check. I'm adding multiple positions. I'm going to be showing you in no time on my phone the positions I had from the bottom, and it's going to the upside. So where I intend on taking, so I cannot successfully delete this one since it hits stop loss. All right, so this one I'm targeting somewhere around here, which is the low of the week, and I just feel price should just move up to that point. Talking of base of structure, we have price bouncing off this trend line, drop here, bounce off this trend line. So this is the last touch on the trend line, and averagely we have 3 touches on the trend line before price can break up and start moving successively. There are 2 things that could happen. This could just be like a retest after this bounce. It could be a retest on this one, on this trend line to drop, but that's unlikely to happen. It's less likely to happen. The one with more probability to happen is price breaking up this trend line and keep going to the upside. So that's what I'm looking at for. But however, I don't know. I have my stop losses. I don't know what's going to happen. So that's why I have my stop losses protecting at this point. So the stop loss is somewhere around here, exactly around this point. Yeah, when I got in, I have that trade stack. So I'm still maintaining my 0.08 and 0.04 that I've been using since yesterday. That's the risk management. So the more price keep going up, the more I keep adding new positions and scale from there. So that's it for now, and the time is still barely 10:50 a.m. That's when I finished the class. I finished the class about 10. So still watching. So we had a very early entry, so we have no worries at all. So let's still keep watching. All right, so what's up, guys? This analysis is still playing on. This is where my stop losses, all of them, I have the stop losses at that point. This is the SL point, okay? And here are all the trades. So you notice that they are all stop losses. They all have stop losses, which is 1.35923, and it's at this level. So it's a real account, the same account. You remember I stopped at 488 in my previous video. So if you've not seen the previous one, you have to watch the previous one in order for you to follow along here. This is an account I started with $400, which I intend on moving to, what's it called? I intend on taking it to 4,000. That's the title. So see, deposit of $400. That was yesterday, and I made $86 today. So today we're already up of about $59. Still fluctuating. We don't know. It's still fluctuating. Let me zoom in so you can see my entries. I can explain more on that because I know that's what most people are somehow interested. So on this one, I had entries from this bottom. First, the entries I had at that point, yeah, which I explained earlier, got queued. So I started entering 0.08, 0.08, and 0.04 at that top right there. So upon this last spike that you see right here, upon this spike, this one, this bullish spike, I added new position. That's why all this one you see at the top. And those ones are currently negative right here. They are negative. So we'll just watch when price surges above this high, when price move past this high right here, yeah, when it's successively closed, I'm going to be adding new position. So it's currently 10:58, so that means it's going to be 11 o'clock very soon. So once it's 11 o'clock, I'll go crazy with this trade again. I'll add new positions. So that's what I'm looking at to do. All right, so make sure you check the link in the description box and read it up. And there are a lot of things in the description, information in the description box that will help you out. All right, what's up guys, here was our entry and price has already moved up, and on here it's time for me to break even. Remember, the stop loss is down at this point. I have to shrink it so you can see. So this is my stop loss level for all of them. So let me show you still. So we are up. The August stop loss of 1.35923, all of them. They've all got stop losses. So I'm currently swimming off profit of about $200, that range. Okay, and let me break even. That's why I'm making this video. It's time for me to break even. So in breaking even, I have to move it to a point whereby even if the market retraces right now, I'm not risking anything. It's a small account, so I wouldn't want to overexpose it to huge risk. So I want to break even to that point. Here's the point. You know, we have bigger loss sizes at the bottom, 0.08, 0.08 at the bottom. So even if market retraces down to this side and it kills us out at 1.36237, will not be hot. We can only leave this market with small profit. So let me check that number again so I'll be sure. This is the area. 36, 36, 32. That's 36237. Let me do that off camera. So I'll copy that and paste off camera. Oh, that is modified. Okay guys, I did a mistake with the stop loss number. Like I missed it with a particular number. So the stop loss is currently here now, break even. I just fed off leaving it right here. All of them, they are all here. The stop losses are all here at that same point. So I changed my mind from moving it from here to this point. Though it's supposed to be a mistake, but I just decided to leave it there because I'll probably be exiting very soon. So I'm currently at $752 already. But this market still has the potential of still moving up. So I don't feel it will come back to this point where my break even is at. So from here, we should still be expecting price to bounce up somewhere around this area. Then I'll exit finally. This should be the final lap on this video. That's for today. Already I think I'm up about more than 100% in total that I started the account out with. Let me just show you some things on the computer screen. Right here, you can see price already surging up from on here. Price broke this zone. Upon breaking this zone, it's moving up. And here's the principle I want to let you guys know: never leaving anything on the table at all. See, we didn't even take any chances. Like when price was here, that's when we started buying. Even though our first entry failed. Remember, I had an entry right here that got failed. I had a long entry right here. Then my stop loss got hit right here, and I deleted that earlier. Yeah, remember I had. Even despite that, every day I always have at least 3 chances. There are some days I have 2 chances to try. If the first chance fails, I try plan B. If the plan B doesn't work well, then I close for that day and move to the next. So that's what happened. Just in case you are seeing this, maybe like tomorrow the trade didn't really go well. That's what happens. So it's not a do or die if I just wait, and the target I always catch is bigger than what I'm even risking. So you can already see the risk to reward. My risk is right here at this point, but look at the reward. It's massive, and I have our trade stacked there in that direction so that I'm able to maximize the move. Okay, so I'm going to be closing out in no time. I think I'm up about decent profit today already, and that's just how you do it. Each time price gets to your zone, not because it's surging high, oh let me keep moving my TP, I don't want to close that now. Not because it is moving well in your favor, start really getting so excited. Do not allow the excitement to get into your brain. close out, still stick to the plan whatsoever happens, because it's moving very well. Bullish doesn't mean it's going to be bullish forever, right? So these are time for us to start closing out. Okay, right here it's time to harvest it. You can already see my stop loss is already at break even. I'm just reiterating for those who are just maybe skip to this part. And this is the trades that I'm still holding. So price has touched to that point. Here's the profit. So I'm $423 today in profit, and the equity is 912. That's already more than 120% return in 2 days. Like yesterday I made $86. Today I'm making 412. So it just fluctuates between that region for now. All right, let's go ahead and start closing now. So for me to close out, I'm just going to swipe to the left, click this check sign. When I click check sign, then I'm going to click close right here. So that's order completed.
What's left remains unsaid until you break my mind.
So I'm done. So I finally closed out $902. This is $414 in profit for today. So it's still the same account. So I've profited $501 and deposited $400 in 2 days. So today's result is this one. So that's it for today, guys. So if you do like this content, make sure you like, subscribe, turn on post notification, and share this video with friends and loved ones, guys. So that will be it for today. Bye and peace out.
Oh, but there's no one there.